There is a hunger in the heart that no food can satisfy. Jesus speaks directly to that hunger. He says, I am the bread that came down from heaven. Whoever comes to me will never hunger. You know, this is not about physical hunger. This is about the emptiness we feel when life becomes heavy, when we are tired, discouraged, or lost. And Jesus is saying, come to me. Not when you are perfect, but especially when you are weak. In the Eucharist, He gives not just bread, He gives Himself, His love, His strength, His life. You know, many things promise to fill us, but only Jesus can truly satisfy the heart. So today, come back to Him. Come with your burdens, come with your wounds. Do not miss the true bread, which is Jesus, because only Jesus can fill the hunger of your soul. Amen.